strong reminder to all of
Okay.
us as a human being that there is a creature called woman that we need to respect. We need to give all the best. They are the same with us. We don't have to say, we don't have to think that they are. We don't have to see a creature from their gender. I mean,
Okay.
you are a woman and I'm a man. There is a difference between us. I think, um, of course, we are different biologically.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
Exactly.
if we think about our level, our status, and so on, we are just the same.
Yeah.
We as a man, we need woman, and women also need men.
Okay. Okay, good statement and good explanation about Anna. As a human being, we are the same actually, but
Yeah.
the difference is we have a different sex. It means in bahasa jenis kelamin, right? And different hormone, of course.
Yeah.
X and XY, right? Biological, right? Okay. What about you, new president of BPC? What do you think about our
Okay,
topic tonight, International Women's
Actually,
Day?
Kamal already to explain about the woman. So in this moment, I will bring about the case in the current situation why there are so many demonstration like
Oh,
to we can say feminist movement.
okay.
Yes, they can to how to say meningkatkan to improve hak human right, the
Human rights.
woman right. So actually, in the I think I agree what they do that, but yes, actually we need to increase about the woman because yes, they have a human right to work. They just menjaga, for example, baby. They only married to and so on and so forth. But actually, they need a human. They need a right to improve in their life, like going to abroad,
Okay.
traveling, and so on and so forth.
Do you agree about this celebration?
Yes, I agree.
Why?
I think so because yes, because they have human right. Because I think we can see in my mom. Yes, they can traveling. They can going to other. No, because yes, they have. I think they have yes right to survive about their life. I think it's enough.
Okay. What about you, Miss Husna?
Yeah.
But congratulations before.
Yeah.
Happy International Women's Day. You are the only one here.
Yeah.
The one and only, right? Okay. What do you think about this topic tonight?
About this topic tonight.
Okay.
International Women's Day.
Yeah.
From my point of view, this is a very interesting topic, right? Because as the previous speakers say before,
Okay.
women and men have the same rights. But you know why this this is the holiday, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, this is the why this day appears. You know, it means there is a incident or etc. Why this day appears?
Why?
Yeah,
Could you?
you know,
tell
because before this day appears, there is a incident like how to say perlakuan semena-mena terhadap perempuan,
Discrimination.
discrimination,
Authoritative.
authoritative. That's why these days. But this is the very how to say. This is the good.
It's not fair.
Yes,
right?
it's not
Okay.
fair. That's why I really appreciate if government or society and how to say membangga-banggakan. Yes,
Proudly.
yes, proudly about this day.
So, in other words, you agree with this celebration
Yes, of course.
around the world.
Yeah.
Okay. But by the way, do you have like a favorite figure of women in our in worldwide or maybe national?
Yeah.
Who are they?
Yes,
Do you have a
of course.
favorite
Yeah.
women? Who?
Yeah.
Who are they?
The first, actually, I have a several, but
Can you
uh,
mention them?
but this is the different context. Like in pendidikan, we have I have one famous my favorite woman, Kartini.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And then
Our hero.
yes.
Yeah.
And then the how to say yang lain the other yes, another one is but there is several. For example, in a film, yes, and have a say reasons.
Okay, a good point from you, from speakers about our topic tonight, International Women's Day. Day that every peoples need to respect to women, right?
Yeah.
Because we have the same rights, we have same human rights, we have a human being. So day by day and year by year, century by century, women is getting same rights. But I think it is not easy to make a same level of human rights with men. So when we talk about human rights, woman itself, what is woman in your eyes? What is definition woman? You.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay. So I see woman as a I personally really respect this movement. I mean, without this movement, we don't aware about the rights of all women around the world.
Okay.
And when I talk specifically about my point of view about woman is really a strong person. I mean, it's really a simple example. For example, you see your mother, they could do multitasking.
Okay.
Like they go to market, they could look after many babies.
Totally agree.
Not only babies, but look after their husband, their small family, and sometimes they become a single mother, and that's really a strong a strong power inside the woman itself. And I see as a man, I even cannot do the same thing. I mean, I really cannot be focused on one on several job. For example, I even don't take care about myself and so on.
Yeah.
I'm go to market and cook and so on. It's really hard job, and that's why I see my mother is really a strong woman. Take care of three children and one husband, of course. We have a family. Become a good neighbor.
Yeah.
For people surround my house and so on. I think it's really tough job.
So woman is your mother.
Yeah. not only my mother, but also all women.
This is your point of view in your personal, right?
Yeah.
When I conclude your
that is
explanation about
only
that.
a little example. Of
Yeah. So woman is your mother. Okay, what about you, Achang? New president of BPC. What is woman in your perspective, in your mind, your heart? What is woman?
Okay, in my point of view, but before I will clearly about what the Kak Amal said. Actually, why the woman can do anything, but according to data, I have been to read one article why the woman can do anything, because yes, according to data, they have they different with the men.
Nah.
They can get anything, but men but men only focus one things. So that's why the woman can cooking. They can to menjaga bayi, for example, and so on and so far. So in my perspective about this woman, I don't make sure, but the mother, it is my person who I feel I can bring about what is my experience with my mother. Yes, I think it is not different with the Kak Amal. Yes, they can do anything. They can more they can promote me and so on and so far. I think enough.
Okay, maybe have two sentences about that case that men can give anything and women can fix anything.
Yes, that's the
Right?
conclusion.
I was like,
I haven't heard about that.
so, what about the figure of woman? Do you have a special or maybe favorite or figure of woman in worldwide or maybe national, our national figure? Who are
Yes,
they?
I have one, but it is same with Husna.
Only one?
Yes, I really
Why?
like Kartini because yeah, I have several, but I'm not really what to say. I'm not really not appreciate, but
Okay.
not like the what
Uh-huh.
to say.
Okay,
Itulah.
okay.
So I'm really like Kartini because
Oh, Kartini.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
yes, they can give
A
educate.
hero.
They can fight what the regulate because
Okay.
they wanna improve in. They wanna increase in women, for example, like feminist movement.
Okay, feminist
Yes, I think
movement.
it's enough.
That's context is very interesting. Feminist movement. Okay, what about you, Mrs. Na? How can you see your gender itself? I mean, woman.
Yeah, yeah,
Because you
yeah.
are woman.
Yeah.
How can you see
Yeah.
what is woman itself?
If you talk about what is woman itself,
Is woman is wearing a green hijab or what?
no, it's a different
Okay, okay,
context. Yeah.
okay.
If we talk about woman itself,
Mhm.
I will say we have a different feeling with yes, with men, of course.
We have a
Yeah.
different feeling.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my
Yes,
god.
one of example is
Can we understand about it? We have a different feeling. Okay, okay.
What kind of feeling?
Yeah.
like for
you
example,
Uh-huh.
you know, we as a woman,
Uh-huh.
but
Not we.
me,
Okay.
but
Okay.
I never gave birth, but
Uh-huh. Not yet.
another woman,
Mhm.
not yet, but
Mhm.
another woman, gave birth and cared
Mhm.
of them.
Mhm.
Let's
Mhm.
say there is a child in
Mhm.
front of you, and then there is woman and man.
Okay.
I think a woman will more care for this child.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I say we have a different feel. But I don't say men don't care of
Okay.
child, but
Okay.
we say more different feeling.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
and I believe when hadith
Wow.
stated that
This is very deep.
yeah.
Okay,
I
come on, go
believe
ahead.
when hadith stated that who you should respect,
Mm-hmm.
and then stated that your mother,
Mm-hmm. Mhm.
and your mother,
Mm-hmm.
and then
Three,
your father.
three words, three
Yes,
times.
3 words.
Times.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god.
No, you want to cry? Oh my god!
Sorry.
Because Heaven, Heaven is our mother, right?
Yeah.
Our mothers.
Yeah, and then
Oh my god,
And
this is a
then-
very. Oh my God. I'm
This your-
speechless.
no, I don't know
It is real. Is it
if
real?
we talk about
Smart
women.
listeners, can you see us?
This is
One
a
of our
really
friends is
natural
crying.
reaction.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
because if we talk about a
Mhm.
mother and
Mhm.
woman, for example, I
Mhm.
always cry.
Oh my god. This is the
Actually,
second.
this is-
Okay, this is very interesting, and of course, because smart listeners, and now we have a topic, and okay, I'm speechless because my friend is crying. We will back after commercial break. Okay, we have a newcomer here tonight. Hi, Adele.
Hi.
Okay, maybe can you introduce yourself to our smart listeners? Okay, come on. Go
Hello,
ahead.
smart listener. Let me
See the camera?
let me introduce myself. My name is Andi Adelia Nabila. You can call me Adele.
Okay. Hi.
Hi.
Welcome. Okay. As I usually, once again, I invite to smart listener join with us via WhatsApp and share everything about this topic tonight. In 0811461011 or 0811461011. Okay. Take a breath. Take a long breath. I move to the newcomer. Okay, because our topic tonight is International Women's Day, and this is a very crucial and urgent for women, and this is a very essential, of course, absolutely essential for women itself. So, do you agree about celebration International Women's Day? What do you think about it? Do you agree, and why?
First, I want to say Happy Women's Day
Okay.
for all of women in the world.
Okay. Happy Happy International Women's Day to you.
This is a special day for women.
Yeah.
I'm agree.
Mm-hmm.
I'm agree to celebrate Women's Day because
Absolutely.
every woman should have a freedom.
Okay.
Yeah, because in the past, women have limited by working by doing just women just at home, just working from home.
Mm-hmm.
But now we should have give freedom for all of women in the world.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You put one word, and I underlined freedom.
Yes.
How can? What looks like? I mean, what kind of freedom do you mean in your sentence?
Freedom. In my
In your perspective, in
Yes.
your word. Okay.
In my perspective, women not only just working at home.
Mm-hmm.
Women should have limited.
Okay.
They unlimited work. They free to choose what they want to working to to get their patient. Yeah.
Very example.
Like women now in the past women have many ban like ban for working and now women like they working in military, they working in as a police, they
Okay.
working not only but
Military.
yes,
Wow.
no,
Okay.
women have pilot, astronaut. This is women have a more than men. Women have a extraordinary more than men. Yeah.
Okay, because you come new as a newcomer tonight, I have a lot of questions for you because the cycle is switch. Okay, again, what is the different women in Indonesia and worldwide and global? What is the difference?
Difference for what?
Every aspect in your eyes, in your mind,
Every
your
aspect?
yeah,
Between Indonesian and
worldwide and international.
and
In other country, what is the difference according your experience, your eyes, your heart, your mind?
yeah, women in Indonesia have they have a extraordinary working and Indonesia women in Indonesia have a special power.
Okay.
They have more in another country.
Is Saras included?
Sorry?
Is Saras?
What is
Oh,
that?
you don't know? Okay, come on. Forget it. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, women in Indonesia have a special power. They have have brave. They want to get the position even though this position is very high and it's very difficult to women doing.
What about in others in outside? I mean, in abroad, women.
Yeah, many brave women in the world.
The differences.
They're different.
Yeah. Maybe women in Indonesia very powerful because they can bring woods by traditional in the jungle, but in outside no.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Only
I
type of
remember
computer
that.
maybe.
Yeah, I remember that. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, women in Indonesia have a power. I don't know. Like in Bali have tradition. They
And Indonesia, women in Indonesia have a magic, like a mantra.
Yeah, I don't know. In the tradition in Bali, tradition in Bali, they bring some like how to say like
Many fruits.
yes, many fruits like how to say keranjang dalam
Sesajen.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Sajian
Yeah,
or
things
whatever.
like that. This is a tradition from Bali.
Okay.
I think this is wonderful. This is wonderful woman. And I'm appreciated about Indonesian.
It's
woman.
iconic, right?
Yeah.
What about you, Husna? What the difference in your eyes, your opinion, the difference between a woman in Indonesia and worldwide or global?
Yeah, in my point of view,
Yeah.
because as adult taught before, like what we say,
Something in the
yeah, something in the head.
like traditional
Yeah.
sacrificing, or I don't know.
Yeah,
Okay, whatever.
but for me, we have, because in Indonesia, majority woman in Indonesia is Muslim.
Okay.
Yes, we have a hijab. This is make we women's different from outside.
That's for physical appearance side.
Yes, because
Okay,
physical
what about
appearance.
other side?
And then I think, as far as I know, in how to say di luar, in worldwide,
Worldwide.
yes, majority women in worldwide is like they focus on working and then
career.
career, and then they not like doing all of their work in their home.
Do
But-
you agree that in Indonesia, women they can, how to say, make a balance between
Yeah.
make a balance
Yeah.
things
Yeah,
like in their private, in their home and outside than other women in a broad country?
yeah, but I just want to say, but we love to, for example, we love to cook, and then
okay.
yes, majority women in Indonesia, right? We love to care our children.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
I think this
Keep
is a
balance,
difference. Yes,
right?
yeah.
Okay. What about you, Chang? What do you see in the phenomena? What the difference a woman in our country, I mean Indonesia, than worldwide and global?
Okay. Actually, in general,
Yeah.
the previous speaker already explained about the different. But in my experience, actually, we have a lot of friend in a woman. What is the like about this? My friends, actually, when they give up, sometimes they wanna married. I don't know why, because
okay.
when they give up, sometimes when they cannot to mengerjakan in tugas kuliah, sometimes they yes, I wanna marry it. I cannot in this position now. I don't know why. It is my
It's just a joke.
no, I believe that because
You got it.
I believe that because after that he married.
Oh my god.
So that's why it is my good experience for me, maybe in my perspective about this woman. But I don't know. I don't really believe that.
Do you agree that in abroad, a woman in abroad more strange than Indonesian woman?
I think if we European, it in woman Indonesia strong.
I mean they are smart.
Oh.
Their career is highest. They're fashioner, and yeah, you know what I mean.
Okay, I got your point actually. If we can see like Japan, Europa,
Yeah.
yes, they can focus about their career. They don't care about this. Have a husband, for example. Yes, so that's why in China, like yes, we can see in this China, Japan, they give a regulate the woman should marry because it will give impact for those country, because they don't have how to say keturunan penerus like in bahasa generation in their country. So that's why it is like for this country in when they focus in their job. But in Indonesia we have a lot of population. So that's why in government have a regulate to membatasi the woman have how to say beranak begitu.
But they have 2 children.
Yeah, you have 2 children, so I'm so
You make
sorry.
it. Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay. What about you, Mr. Amal? Do you agree that women in outside and abroad forward than Indonesian women?
Yeah, I personally believe that.
This is
even-
about index human sex.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even though I haven't gone abroad yet, I haven't go to Europe or something else. I mean abroad, but I can see from many literature, for example, we can see from the news, TV, and so
Okay.
on.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of information, and we can see
Mm-hmm.
the difference between in women in Indonesia and
Okay.
also women outside of our country.
Mm-hmm.
What makes what makes their different is
Yeah.
um, I believe is about education.
Okay.
When you have a good education, when you well educated,
Mm-hmm.
you have a big mindset.
Mhm.
You have a strong, a powerful perspective about
Mm-hmm.
something.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But when you don't have that, you don't. The woman
Mm-hmm.
didn't feel the higher education. For example, yeah, as we can see, our neighbor and so on, they sometimes uh, only for example,
Mhm,
we can
mhm.
see our in surround us that there's so many women that they
Mhm.
don't want to continue their
Okay.
study.
Okay.
They don't want to continue until university, for
Okay.
example. That's the moment when the that makes Indonesian women different
Mhm.
from another country.
Mhm.
But I personally believe our women's right now is
Mhm.
getting better, getting smarter.
And Indonesia.
Yeah, in Indonesia,
Okay. Okay.
they are start thinking that education
Mhm.
is essential for
Mhm.
their life. Education is something that they have to rely on.
Mhm. Mhm.
Education is something that really important. They can affect their
Mhm.
life. They can
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
can survive in this
Mhm.
world right now. They can gain a big salary. They can make money from
Mhm.
that education.
Okay.
That's, I think, makes Indonesian women
Mhm.
getting better.
Okay.
So I personally believe that
Mhm.
our human resource,
Mhm. Yeah.
especially
Yeah.
in from the woman, is getting
As I mentioned just now, that this is
Yeah.
about a human index.
yeah
Okay.
is getting better
Mm-hmm.
days by day.
So Indonesian women right now is growing, right?
Yeah.
And how to say getting is how to say in bahasa menyusul
Yeah,
woman in
they-
worldwide.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I agree with that. In English, menyusul we say overtake.
Overtake. Okay. Okay. This is a new word. Mhm.
But this really tricky. When you say overtake, it's
Mhm.
mean menyusul.
Mhm.
But when you say take over,
Mhm.
it's mean menguasai.
Okay.
Jadi hati-hati untuk membalik-balik.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, thank you for
Yeah.
your explanation about the different of women in Indonesia and worldwide, or how women right now to be impactful to her environment, nation, or maybe to the world.
Yeah,
Maybe you first.
So can you repeat your question? sir?
How women can be impactful now? I mean,
Okay.
like make like make an influence to another people to be inspired, to be inspirator, something like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a lot of way I
Mhm.
think that women could do. For example, um, teach their children
Mhm.
to have a better perspective, to
Mhm.
see the world, to feel the education,
Mhm.
to have a better life and so on. That is not small. I mean, that is essential part of the woman itself.
Mhm.
Even though the woman,
Mhm.
for example, my mother is
Mhm.
56 years old right now.
Mhm.
We can say that my mother right now is not productive. I
Okay.
mean, my mother is not in the age where they can do like work and so
Okay.
on.
Okay.
But my mother can teach their children.
Mhm.
My mother can teach the new generation. So
Mhm.
all women can teach their children to have a better education, to have a better life, better future, and so on. And now we can see, and that's one example. The second of all, we can see like if you know the presenter Mbak Nana, Mata
That's your
Najwa,
favorite.
yeah,
Okay.
that's my favorite, my personal favorite role model.
Role model.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because she teach us about how women also have a good perspective about something. We can see, we can in Indonesia and also in many countries, we can give our perspective about something, about a government's regulation, about the environmental issue and so on. And that's point, become an independent woman. It's really give inspiration to
Okay.
others women.
Okay, so to be impactful is by education.
Yeah.
Okay, what about you, Mr. President, BPEC?
Can you
Okay,
repeat, Kak?
how women to be impactful?
Okay.
I mean, to be
Yeah, how
inspirator,
women can be
to be inspirator.
Okay.
Yeah, how women?
Actually, even if women have a district,
Uh-huh.
but I mean like they should to menjaga anak and so on and so forth. But actually, they can learn in their home. For example, they can learn autodidact
Okay.
and etc. So that's why the woman have a lot of opportunity to learn, because we know in this technology is really how to say maju. So that advanced, so that so it is the problem solving, how to women to improve in their life, especially in educate, they can learn in autodidact. I
Okay.
think it's enough, Kak.
Okay, what about you, Miss Husna? How can women be impactful?
How can women be impactful?
Yeah.
I think I have to emphasize. We have to study.
You
and study.
emphasize
Emphasize.
That's good part.
We have to study and study. For example, until university is it just a little bit, because as Kak Amal said before, he said Najwa.
Najwa.
Yes, as a inspirator, right? And I think Najwa Shihab cannot be inspirator if she not have a good mindset, if she not have a good education, right?
She has a long journey.
Yes, she has a long journey. That's
Yeah.
why we can give impact if we study and study, if we have a good mindset.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
I think.
So one of way to be impactful for women is need to have a role model, right? Okay,
yeah.
to be her.
Yeah, to be
Okay,
her.
To be
Yeah.
wannabe. I mean, something like that. Okay, what about you, Miss Adele? How women to be impactful?
Every woman have. Could you give me?
I mean, how women be inspirator to make influence around her environment, to nation, or maybe around the world, to be inspiration to do to another's peoples, like
another woman.
yeah, to another woman, something like that. For Amal, say that to be impactful, women need to, how to say, get high education.
Oh, okay.
And also Miss Husna say sometimes we need have a role model
Okay.
to be forward, to be great as a woman. You get the point now.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. I
Continue.
get a point. In my perspective,
Uh-huh.
women should have power.
Uh-huh.
They should be different with
Uh-huh.
another, especially for men,
Okay.
for another woman.
How to be great as a woman.
They have to powerful, and then they have she have like a ambition or
Put ambition.
yes, and then dedication for their work.
Okay. So women need to put ambition,
Yes.
and after that also put dedication for the world to make to show the world that's
Yeah.
who I am. Right. Okay.
Many women like a doctor.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm always read the book. I really motivate with Princess Diana. You know,
Princess Diana. Oh my
This is
God.
the man, powerful man in the world, and have influence for many women.
Okay.
Because their dedication, because they powerful for women, for the women's right in the world.
Okay. Do you have a vocabularies about our topic tonight? Women.
Vocabulary, I have some vocabulary like powerful, kekuatan, extraordinary, lebih dari yang lain,
Wow.
and then motivasi, just that about my vocabulary.
Okay, what about you, Miss Susna? Do you have a vocabularies? Or maybe you have a conclusion about our topic tonight.
Yeah.
Conclusion.
From my point of view, I just want to share that we as a woman are different, and then like men, we also can give our, for example, career and high education.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but unfortunately, we are a man cannot describing, cannot driving about it. Okay, what about you?
Actually, I have several idioms.
Oh, idioms. Okay. Okay.
First is a woman's work is never done. Artinya itu saya memiliki banyak yang harus dilakukan. And the second is be a woman for her word.
Okay.
Jadi artinya itu jadilah dapat diandalkan. And I have several how to say vocab. Firstly is feminist movement, gerakan perempuan, emphasize, menekankan, take over. What's the melanjutkan?
Menguasai.
Oke, take over
overtake, menyusun.
Take over, menguasai, overtake, menyusun. Okay. Thanks enough.
What about you? Do you have vocabularies or idioms?
Yeah, I don't have, but I have.
Do you have a conclusion?
Small
Okay.
conclusion. I mean, yeah. I really love women that really independent. Independent doesn't mean that you can make money for yourself and you don't rely on your husband and so on. But independence for me is when women can be different from the normal woman, from the average woman. Just look at the example that when you join to, for example, BPEC, you are a different woman because in BPEC we force you to speak up. We force you to have a critical thinking about the hot issue surround us. Then the normal woman might don't think about that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
Okay. For me, I have a conclusion tonight in bahasa. Di balik kesuksesan seorang pria terdapat wanita yang hebat.
I'm real familiar.
Dan surga itu berada di bawah telapak kaki ibu. Ibu adalah seorang wanita. Kita memiliki Siti Hadijah, kita memiliki Mother Teresa, Bunda Maria, Dei Kuan Im, dan sebagainya. I think that's all for my conclusion tonight as a host. Okay, that's all our discussion with topic International Women's Day. Smart listeners, see you next week. Bye bye. Good evening.